New research from India has shown that bifacial perovskite solar cells can achieve a 2% higher power conversion efficiency with a tilt angle of 20 degrees. The scientists also developed a bifacial perovskite solar cell for applications in both tandem or single-junction PV devices. Researchers from the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, have conducted a quantitative analysis of optimal values for albedo and tilt angle in bifacial perovskite solar cells, and have found that enhancing the rear side albedo to 0.5 and using a tilt angle of 20 degrees results in the highest efficiency levels. Our study presents the fabrication of efficient bifacial perovskite solar cells and investigates their unique properties using various characterization techniques, including Lambertian reflection effects through tilt angle arrangements and bottom albedo illuminations. The scientists said that the core component of their bifacial solar cells is the transparent back contact made of indium zinc oxide, or IZO, which they claim has excellent conductivity, high mobility, and optimum transparency. The device has an active area of 0.175 square centimeters when illuminated through the front side and 0.14 square centimeters from the rear. The cell was designed to have a transparent fluorine-doped tin oxide, or FTO, substrate, an electron transport layer, or ETL, made of tin oxide, a perovskite absorber, a hole transport layer, or HTL, relying on spirometad and molybdenum oxide, the ISO layer, and a molybdenum oxide. The control device achieved a maximum power conversion efficiency of 17.46% under front-side 1-sun and 1.5G illumination. A significant influence of ground Lambertian reflection is observed with tilt angle variations, resulting in increased efficiency from 17.46% to 18.82% as the tilt angle reached 20 degrees. Consequently, the synergistic effect of 0.5 sun albedo and a 20-degree angular light inclination led to developing bifacial perovskite solar cells with an efficiency of 26.46%. SCAPS 1D simulations are further employed to validate the experimental Lambertian reflection effects. The researchers also ascertained that the cells exhibited intrinsic self-encapsulation and chemical robustness. Our study anticipates that cost-effective and highly efficient bifacial perovskite solar cells will emerge as a leading PV technology in both single-junction and tandem PV configurations for electricity generation in the near future. Their findings can be found in the study Quantitative Estimation of Albedo and Tilt Angle Variation in Bifacial Perovskite Solar Cells, which was recently published in ACS Applied Materials and Interfaces.